What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on Barnbridge, which has been pumping in value over the last 24 hours. It is up nearly 30%, making it $7.67 guys. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it going to keep pumping up in value? Is it going to drop back down? Meaning, is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what I'm going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at where it's heading to next. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website and the market is just about up 0.21%. However, Barnbridge has managed to gain the top spot in the last 24 hours in the top gainers list, gaining 30% in value, which is absolutely insane. Over the last hour, however, it has dropped just above 4%. Over the last day, 28%, over the week, 21%, and over the month is an overall 11% down, guys. So it looks all good and stuff when you look at the short term, daily and weekly chart, but when you look at the overall 4 weeks chart, yeah guys, it's not been performing too well, consistently dropping in value for the past 4 weeks. Yes, we've seen peaks here and there, as you can see, hitting $9, dropping back down, pumping back up in value, dropping back down, and right now pumping back up in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 878% in the last 24 hours, making it $116 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Barnbridge. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. As you guys can see, 62% buy against 38% sell. So as it's pumped up in value, we are also seeing people selling it, taking out their profits, and potentially reinvesting into the crypto when it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart at the moment. We've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Barnbridge, which is at the moment $6.79. However, we can see it trading at a higher value at $7.65, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see that the blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially, we've got two lines going the opposite direction. And again, the only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. And again, there's been dips in between as well, so the graph is confused as to, is it going to keep pumping, is it going to drop back down, so on and so on. My prediction is that over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, we should be fluctuating around $7 to $7.50, somewhere in between there. Do expect peaks as well. There may be a time where it hits about $9, $9.20, or even going towards the $9 mark over the next 3, 4, 5 hours. But it's very likely that it's going to drop back down overall over the next 12 hours, because as I keep mentioning in most of my videos, guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little breather, it has to take a little dip, and the exact same applies to Barnbridge. So I am expecting an overall drop in value from Barnbridge over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours has made the graph think, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on, when that is clearly not the case, guys. So over the next couple of days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting an overall drop in value on this crypto. And again, guys, That doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles over the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up. But the overall outcome, once again, seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall drop in value on this crypto. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So an overall increase in value is what is expected right now. However, this depends on any major updates that come across, not just on Barnbridge but the whole crypto market in general. For example, if Bitcoin decides to drop down to about 10-15k, we are going to see major drops, not just on Bitcoin or Barnbridge but the whole market in general. And if Bitcoin does decide to pump up in value to about 30-35k, then we are going to see major increases in value on the whole crypto market as well. And these things are not expected, guys, like crashes, major pumps and so on. But I'll try my best to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Now, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone, which is not looking too great. And for us to hit the green zone or even the resistance line here, we're going to have to hit about $38.49, which we are not even close to. We're going to have to go for a good 400 to 500% increase for us to hit that, which I'm not expecting from Barnbridge anytime soon. So more or less, it is very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of this year, or the whole of this year and most of next year as well, because for it to hit the green zone is going to have to go for a major increase, which again is not something that I'm predicting anytime soon. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Barnbridge, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your predictions and your expectations are. What is the highest figure Barnbridge can hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto in my previous Barnbridge videos and in my DMs as well. So comment down below, as it will be very interesting to see what your predictions and your takes are on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Barnbridge, a highly requested video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, I just want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also, if you guys have any other crypto suggestions that you guys want me to cover on this channel, like price predictions or whatever it may be, comment down below and I'll be more than happy to cover that for you guys. I've seen a lot of other cryptos that I've been covering as well that you guys requested, and I'll still be doing them once you comment down below. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.